Hi, I'm Paula Thompson and welcome to Market Chat. There are about 700 head of cattle yarded at the monthly Naracoorte store sale on Thursday last week. Heifers were slightly cheaper, but steers were on a par with the previous month's sale. Steers made to $1,305. The top price honour went to Kalana Rural of Meningie, selling 14 August-September 2015 drop European Union accredited steers. Heifers made to $1,237 and averaged $980. The top price heifers were 12 Angus from CD and JC Dean. Generally, most good heavy steers made $3.80 a kilogram to $3.90, with a few pens making more than $4 a kilogram. Pregnancy tested in-calf females made to $1,450. Meanwhile, there were about 600 cattle yarded at Mount Compass on Wednesday last week. Pro-Stock Livestock's Clint Endersby said the job was generally firm across all types. Heavy cows made from $2.45 a kilogram to $2.90, while lighter cows made from $1.80 to $2.40. Heavy steers made from $3.50 to $3.75, while feeder steers made from $3.50 to $3.80. There were mainly feeder weight heifers yarded, and they made from $3.30 to $3.60. Heavy bulls made from $2.45 to $2.70, while young bulls made from $2.80 to $3. That's it for this week. See you next time.